Many users show interest in your Instagram posts or Reels, but manually collecting the details of these interested users can be time-consuming. ReplyRush's lead generation feature automates this entire process. With this feature, you can collect important information from users and easily manage your leads. So, let's see step-by-step how to set up this feature. First, go to the lead generation section and click on Add Lead Generation. The page to create your lead generation form will now open. First, you need to add a form name. For example, you can name your form Join Meeting, making it easy to identify later. Here, you'll get two default messages: welcome message and thank you message. The welcome message is shown when the user starts the form, while the thank you message is shown after the user successfully submits all the required details. Both messages are available by default, but you can also customize them according to your requirements. Now, let's look at the form fields. Here, you'll find 4 standard field options: email, phone, address, and birth date. Select the fields you want to collect from the user. For example, when you select email, the question for the email field is automatically added. You don't need to type the question manually. Similarly, when you select phone, address, or birth date, the respective questions will also be added automatically. So if you only need to collect basic information, you can simply add these 4 standard fields and your form is ready. If you want to collect additional information beyond the standard fields, you'll find custom question fields below. Here, you can add custom fields using options like quick message, button, or text, depending on your requirements. For example, you can ask the user questions like, "Are you interested?" or "More information." This allows you to customize the form according to your business requirements. There's one important limitation to keep in mind. A lead generation form can have a maximum of 7 fields. So if you try to add 8 fields, the system will show an error indicating that you cannot add more than 7 fields to a form, and a minimum of 4 fields is required. So if you add only 3 fields, the form cannot be saved. Simply remember this rule: minimum 4 and maximum 7 fields. Once you've added the required fields, click Save. After saving, your lead generation form will be successfully created. Once the form is completed, you can download the submitted lead details. Now, the next step is to connect this form with your Instagram post or Reel. Now go to the Posts and Reels section and open the post or Reel where you want to connect the lead generation form. Here, under Choose Trigger Type, you'll find options like keywords, all comments, and at mention. Select the trigger according to your requirements. Once the trigger is set, go to the Configuration section below. Here, select Message, Lead Generation. You'll now see the lead form you created earlier. Click on Lead Forms and select your required form. In the preview, you'll be able to see the complete flow that the user will experience, starting from the welcome message and continuing through all the selected fields. Finally, click Save, and your lead generation automation will be connected to your Instagram post or Reel. So, now that we've completed the setup, let's see how everything works in a real demo. This is how you can easily turn Instagram engagement into quality leads.